Namaste and good evening to all. Welcome to 20th day of Apupa Yoga Challenge. So again, as usual, we'll start with making a humming sound three times. Okay. So let's sit with your eyes closed. Take a normal breath in. Breathe out. With a smile on your face, take a deep breath in. Breathe out completely. Breathe in for making a humming sound. So, Relax. Feel the sensations inside the body. Wherever your mind is, bring back to this moment, here and now. And today we will do full yogic breath. I hope everybody remembers now how to do full yogic breath. So we breathe in our stomach first, and then continue breathing in. We expand our chest. We breathe in, continue and expand the side of your chest, and then expand, lift up the collarbone a little bit. And then breathing out, slowly keep on relaxing the collarbone, then the chest, then go to the stomach and pull your navel in. So that's how we do, and we will do for at least 4 to 5 breaths. So let's start. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Breathe in. Expand your stomach. Continue breathing in. Expand your chest. Breathe in little more. Expand the side of the chest. Lift up your collarbone. Breathing out. Relax the collarbone. Relax your chest. Relax the stomach and pull your navel in. Completely breathe out. Once again, breathing in. Expand your stomach. Continue breathing in. Expand your chest. Side of your chest. Breathe in little more. Lift up the collarbone. And slowly breathing out. Relax the collarbone. Relax your chest. Relax your stomach and pull your navel in. Once again, breathing in. Expand your stomach. Continue breathing in. Expand your chest. Side of your chest. Your rib cage. Lift up your collarbone. And breathing out, relax the collarbone. Relax your chest. Relax your stomach. And pull your navel in. Continue for 2 more breaths on your own. Once you breathe out completely, relax. Notice your mind. Mind has started settling down. Slowly and gently open your eyes. Let's take our finger and stand up. Keep shaking. Yeah. Let's loosen our body. So let's start with our neck. Breathe in, take your head up. And breathing out, chin to the chest. Once again, breathing in, take your head up. And breathing out, chin to the chest. This time when you breathe in from your right. Take your neck to the right side, head to the right side and back, and breathing out, left and front. Make a nice circle with your neck. Attention on your neck region. And coordinate the movement with the breath. A beautiful smile on your face. And once you complete this round, reverse the direction. Breathing in left and back, and breathing out right and front. Neck is a very delicate joint, so warming up the neck region is very important. And once you complete this round, relax, slowly come back to the center. Okay, now let's do shoulder rotation. For shoulder rotation, we place the palms on our shoulder, join the elbows together. Breathing in, take your arms up and back, and breathing out, down and front, up and back, down and front. Make a nice circle. Reverse direction, breathing in, back and up, and breathing out, front and down. Very good. And once you complete this round, relax your arms. Let's work on our spine region. Take your right arm, left arm back, like this, and then the right arm back, and then the left arm back. Breathing out, go back, breathing in, come back to the center, and again breathing out, go to the left. Follow the rhythm. And relax. Let's go to the waist region. Foot hip width apart. Push your hips to the left side. Pushing to the left. And then to the right. Again left. And right. Now let's make a nice circle with our waist in clockwise direction. Opposite direction. And relax. Bend your knees. You may place the palms on your knee and straighten up your leg. Straighten up your leg and then rotate your ankle clockwise. Anti-clockwise. And relax. Let's do it with the other leg, left leg. Bend your leg. Relax. Straighten up your leg. Stretch your ankle and rotate. Opposite direction. And relax. Okay. Let's do some warm up. We'll do jumping jacks today. We spread our leg and join our palms on top and then come back like this. So this is position 1, this is position 2. So let's start together. 1, two, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Come on, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2. Relax. Catch a few breaths here. Breathe in from your nose and breathe out through the mouth. Okay, let's do laughing yoga here. I hope you all remember. We will start with ha 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 and then hoo hoo hoo, and then keep the mouth shut like this. Okay, take your arms up. Now let's do. Now keeping your mouth shut, we laugh. And relax, taking the support of your arms, you may slowly come up and relax. A very good exercise to loosen up our back as well as enjoy a bit. Okay. So now let's do Utkatasana. Tadasana. Breathing in, take your arms up, interlace the finger, stretch your spine. You might have noticed some of this posture we do every day. It is very important, stretching the spine. We stretch first and then we start bending left, right, forward, backward, whatever you want. Stay there, continue breathing, do not hold the breath. And breathing out, relax your arms. Let's do sideways bending in Konasana. Legs comfortably apart. Breathing in, lift up your left arm up. Straighten your left arm. And breathing out, bend to the right side. Take your right palm close to the right knee. And look at your left palm. Feel the squeezing happening on the right side and the stretch on the left side. Breathing in, slowly come up. And breathing out, relax. Let's do it with the other arm. Breathing in, lift up your right arm up. Breathing out, stretch your right arm. And drop your left palm down. And look at your right palm. Breathe in, slowly come up, and breathing out, relax. So today we will do 6 rounds of Surya Namaskar, 6 sets of Surya Namaskar. Before that, let's warm up our back by doing Hasta Uttanasana and Hasta Padasana. Breathing in, take your arms up, stretch your arms over the head, hips forward, stay here, take few breaths. Follow the 3 key rules. Relaxing the posture, awareness on the breath, and attention on the stretched body part. Breathing in, slowly straighten up. And let's do Hasta Padasana. Right? Forward bending. Breathing out, go down. Keep your back straight first. Back straight. Stay here and then slowly go down. And see if you can touch your toe, your knee, your ankle, your shin bone, wherever you can. Just stay there.
Now breathing in, load up your stomach and touch your stomach to the thigh. Straighten your back fully. And breathing out, hold wherever you can hold and slowly go down. Straighten your leg. Breathing in, straighten your back. And breathing out, keeping the back straight, go down as much as you can. And you may place the palms by the side of your feet. And now, those who can, hold your calf muscles and breathing in, straighten your back and go down further as much as you can. Listen to your body. Feel the stretch on your lower back. Your leg is straight as much as you can. Now, slowly taking support of your palms, slowly come up, keeping your back straight. Very good. So, we have warmed up our spine. Let's do Surya Namaskar, sun salutation for 6 rounds. A good cardio exercise. So, breathe in and out. Namaste. 1, 2, front and up. Hastuttanasana. 3, forward and down. Hastapadasana. 4, right leg back in a Susanchalanasana. Hold the breath. Left leg back. Dandasana. Breathing out. Knee, chest, chin on the ground. Ashtanga Namaskar. Breathing in, Cobra. Breathing out, inverted V. In, right leg between the palms. Breathing out, left leg. In, up and back. And breathing out, Namaste. Second round, breathe in and out. Namaste. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Left. 10, 11, 12. This was the one round. So listen to your bodies. If somebody can do only 2 rounds or 3 rounds, you do only 2, 3 rounds and then relax. And those who can do all 6, let's do it. Breathe in and out. Namaste. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right. 10, 11, 12. 1. Namaste. 2, 3, 4. Left. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Left. 10, 11, 12. This was the second round. Let's do the third round. Breathe in and out. Namaste. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right. 10, 11, 12. 1. Namaste. 2, 3, 4. Left. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Left. 10, 11, 12. This is 3 rounds. Come on. 1. Namaste. 2, 3, 4. Right. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right. 10, 11, 12. 1. Namaste. 2, 3, 4. Left. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Left. 10, 11, 12. 4 rounds. 1. Namaste. 2, 3, 4 right, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 right, 10, 11, 12. 1 namaste, 2, 3, 4 left, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 left, 10, 11, 12. Very good. 1 namaste, last round. 2, 3, 4 right, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 right, 10, 11, 12. Last half. 1 namaste, 2, 3, 4 left, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 left, 10, 11, and 12. Well done. Clap for yourself. Very good. This is a very good cardio exercise. Now let's sit on a board. Don't imagine the chair pose. Straighten your arms in front. Imagine there is a chair far behind you. Push your hips back. Go down. Go down. Go down. And slowly sit down. Relax. Join your feet together. Bring it close to the body, as close as possible. And let's flap our leg. And butterfly pose. Now let's sit in Vajrasana and churn the buttermilk here. Slowly sit in Vajrasana. Vajrasana means sitting on your knee and your heels like this. Sit in Vajrasana. Imagine in front of you there is a setup made for churning the buttermilk. And the 2 ropes are in your hand. And we need to churn the buttermilk. Okay, let's start. Right, left. Keep churning. Come on. Our village women in previous generation used to do a lot of these exercises. They used to be very fit by doing this, churning the buttermilk, making the flour using the flour mills. Continue. Feel the movement on your spine, left side and right side. And relax. Now let's spread our leg. Let's make a floor using a flour mill. A small mill. It used to be with 2 stones, 1 stone on bottom and 1 stone on top, with a handle on top of it. You put the grains in between and then you start. So straighten your arms on top first. And slowly, keeping your back straight, hold the handle of that grinding mill. Put the grain inside and let's start from the right first. Keep your back straight as much as you can. And touch your legs if possible. Clockwise. Follow the rhythm of the breath. So breathing out, go to the right, come back. Breathing in, again front. Breathing in and breathe out. In and out. In and out. Reverse direction. Breathing in, left and back, and breathing out, right and front. So when you are expanding your body, you breathe in. And when you are contracting your body, you breathe out. That is the thumb rule. And relax. Relax. Slowly bend both the legs. And let's relax in child pose for few breaths. Child pose. Keep your back straight. If your hips are coming up from the heel, you may do like this. Take few breaths here. Breathing in, slowly come up. So body is nice and warm here. And we did a lot of forward bending. So let's do little bit of backward bending in Uttarasana. So there is level 1 and level 3 here. So the level 1 is you place the palms on your hip and just go a little bit back. And those who are confident to go to the level 3, they may breathing in, lift up your right arm. And breathing out, place the right palm on your right heel. And breathe in, left arm up and place on your left heel. And push your hips forward. Do only if you can. Listen to your body. Stay there. Continue breathing. Do not hold the breath. Breathing in, slowly lift up your left arm up. Yeah. Breathing out, right arm. Again, go back to the child pose for 1 or 2 breaths. Now gently lie down on your stomach. Let's do some lying down posture. Palms below the shoulders, knees below the palms below the shoulder. Now place the palms below the shoulder and slowly come up in Bhujangasana. Elbows close to the body. Stay here. Take few breaths. Do not squeeze your shoulder like this. Shoulders are rolled back. Neck is fully open. And breathing out, slowly go down. Bend your knee, hold the ankle. And breathing in, come to bow posture, Dhanurasana. You may rock your body forward and backwards. And breathing out, relax. Now gently turn to your right side. Let's do some posture on the sides of the body. Relax your head on your right palm. Breathing in, gently place the left palm in front of the chest just to support the body. And now breathing in, lift up your left leg up and down, up and down, up and down. This time you take up, make a circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Now gently lift up your left leg and place the left foot in front of the right thigh. And your left palm on your left knee. Vishnu Asana or the Emperor pose. Lift up your left leg and relax like a king. And breathing out, relax. Let's do it on the other side. Now on the left side, place the right palm in front of the chest. Breathing in, lift up your right leg up and down, up and down, up and slowly down. This time when we take up, we start making a circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. Let's place the right foot in front of the left thigh. Place the right palm on your right knee. Lift up your left leg and relax in the Emperor pose, Vishnu Asana. Breathing out, relax. Now let's lie down on the back. We'll do some lying down postures, just one or two. Let's do the boat posture. Breathing in, take your arms up over the head. And breathing out, come to the boat posture. High boat or low boat, whatever you can. Eyes, finger and toe in straight line. Stay there. Continue breathing. Do not hold the breath. Keep the attention on your stomach region. Feel the strengthening of your abdominal muscles. And now slowly go down and come up. Go down and come up. Go down and relax. Go. Take few breaths here. Now gently bend both the legs, the sole facing the sky. Sole facing the sky. Hold your feet and open up your leg. Bring your feet exactly above your knee and make sure your lower back is touching the ground. Open up your hip. Very good. Stay there. Take one or two breaths more. Long and deep breaths. And breathing out, relax. Relax. Let's do our final posture. Pawan Muktasana. Bend both the knees. Bring it close to the chest. And now breathe out. Bring your nose between the knees. You may rock your body forward and backwards. Give a good massage to your back. Gently place the head on the ground and rock sideways, left and right. And relax. Spread your leg. Let's do final relaxation here. Tightening our whole body and making a sound ha. Take a normal breath in. Breathe out. Take a deep breath in. Tighten your feet, lower leg, thighs, make a fist, abdomen, chest, throat, face, hold, 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 and ha! Let's do it one more time. A normal breath in. Breathe out. Take a deep breath in. Tighten your feet, lower leg, thighs, abdomen, chest, throat, face. Hold, and ha! Relax. Drop your whole body weight to the ground. Feel the touch of each and every part of the body touching the mat or the ground. Just drop it. If you feel the stiffness in any part of the body, just bring your mind there and drop it. Your body is like a statue, no movement at all. Your eyeballs are still. Your breath is also very still, becoming stiller and stiller. Gently bring your attention to the right leg, whole of your right leg. Left leg. Genital region. Abdomen. Stomach near navel region. Chest near the heart. Right shoulder. Right arm. Left shoulder. Left arm. Throat and neck region. Face. Forehead. Top of the head. The whole body. Gently turn to your right side. Keeping your eyes closed, taking support of your arms, slowly sit up. So we will do Shanmukhi Pranayam today. The Shanmukhi Pranayam is similar to Brahmari. The only thing is we keep our fingers on our face. So let's start with placing the thumb on your earlids, the index finger gently on your eyes, very gently. The middle fingers on your nose, nostrils, the ring fingers on your upper lip, and the little finger around your chin region, on your chin. So once you're ready in the position, we'll be breathing in normally and breathing out, making a humming sound and pushing our earlids in and out so that the humming sound vibrates. Okay. So let's start. Breathe in. And relax. Palms on your thighs, facing the sky. Shanmukhi Pranayam helps us to take all our five senses inward in the sensation around your head region. Sit with your spine erect, body relax and loose. Listen to all the sounds around you, the sound of the music, sound of your aircons, sound of the kids, and be at ease with them. Be in harmony with all the sounds around you. Gently bring the attention to your whole body. Gently bring your attention to your nostrils. Feel the touch of the breath going into the nostril and going out, rubbing your nostril inner wall. Breath is going in and out of the nostrils, keeping this body alive. Gently bring a smile on your face. Become aware of your body and surroundings. And you may slowly and gently open your eyes. So with this, we conclude this session for 20th day of our yoga challenge. I hope you all are enjoying the challenge. Slowly the levels are improving and everybody is doing a nice 6 rounds of Surya Namaskar. So you might notice in 20 days there are some changes in your body, some flexibility has come, some strength has improved. We'll continue for 10, 11 more days and let's see the difference at the end of the 31st day. With this, we conclude the session. See you all tomorrow, 6:45. Bye-bye.